Raw large language models hallucinate. Hallucination is a phenomenon where an AI generates false or illogical information presented as fact, primarily because it lacks access to private, verifiable context. RAG-Nova is a production-ready software pipeline engineered specifically to solve this context deficit using Retrieval-Augmented Generation. RAG is an architecture that fetches external data and dynamically injects it into an LLM's prompt, forcing the model to read facts rather than guess them. This is the RAG-Nova user interface, which grounds that architectural theory in a functional chat environment. Streamlit is an open-source Python library used to rapidly build and share custom web applications for machine learning. To test the system's grounding, we submit a highly specific technical query asking for the difference between linear regression and logistic regression. The system responds accurately, displaying the exact source document chunks retrieved to formulate the answer. Look directly at the UI element for chunk 1. It displays a distance score of 0.6309. This metric proves the LLM is synthesizing local data, not guessing from pre-trained weights. To build a system that achieves this level of deterministic grounding, we have to deconstruct the pipeline and examine the exact processes occurring in the 800 milliseconds between the query submission and the cited response. This flowchart shows the bipartite structure of a robust RAG system. It requires two distinct halves, an offline indexing pipeline and an online inference pipeline. The offline phase occurs before the user opens the application, where raw data is ingested, processed, and stored. The online phase is the live environment, where queries trigger data retrieval and LLM generation. The central bridge connecting these two distinct operational phases is a persistent vector database. A vector database is a storage system designed specifically to hold and query high-dimensional mathematical representations of data. We will trace the exact path a piece of data takes through this map, from a static file to a conversational output. Effective retrieval relies on strict data orchestration and specialized software architecture to function reliably. The pipeline begins by loading raw, unstructured PDFs from a local data directory using LangChain's PyMu PDF integration. LangChain is a framework designed to simplify the creation of applications that rely on language models. We apply recursive character text splitting to break large documents into smaller pieces. This is necessary to fit the data into the LLM's finite context window. The context window is the maximum number of tokens an AI can process at one single time. RAG-Nova uses a specific chunk size parameter of 1,000 characters to ensure each block contains a complete, discrete idea. We also program a 200-character overlap between adjacent chunks. This prevents the system from slicing context in the middle of a sentence and losing semantic continuity. The system then dynamically attaches a meta-dictionary to every single chunk, explicitly recording the source file name and the specific page number it came from. At this stage, these parsed text chunks are easily readable by humans, but they remain completely opaque to a machine learning retrieval system. Rigorous, overlapping text chunking is the absolute foundation of retrieval accuracy. Poor ingestion yields poor generation. We pass these chunks through an embedding process using a sentence transformer model called all-mini-LM-L6-V2. This model captures the underlying semantic meaning of the text rather than just indexing its keywords. The transformer converts each human-readable text chunk into a dense vector array. This specific array contains 384 numbers. It plots the exact meaning of the text across 384 distinct mathematical axes. The system then uses a vector store to persist these millions of embeddings locally on disk. Technologies like FAISS or ChromaDB act as vector stores, which are libraries optimized for the efficient similarity search of dense vectors. Storing the metadata dictionary tightly bound to the vectors is the sole mechanism that allows the system to trace a math-based retrieval back to a specific page in a PDF. This offline phase successfully transforms a static, unsearchable folder of PDFs into a mathematically searchable knowledge graph. We can now return to the exact moment in the demo where the user hits enter on their query about linear regression. The user's raw text string immediately passes through the exact same sentence transformer model we used during the indexing phase. The query is converted into its own 384-dimensional vector, mathematically mapping the user's intent into the established semantic space. The system now scans the vector database search space to find alignment. It calculates the L2 distance between the query vector and all document vectors. L2 distance is the straight-line Euclidean measurement between 2 points in a multidimensional space. The system aggressively filters the results, discarding any vectors that fall below a strict minimum similarity score threshold. It then unpacks the top k closest vectors, extracting the original raw text chunks and the precise metadata stored within them. This deterministic mathematical proximity search ensures the injected context is grounded in source data, anchoring the model's response to retrieved facts. The retrieved text chunks are compiled into a strict programmatic prompt template. System instructions are baked directly into this prompt, commanding the LLM to answer the user's question based only on the provided context block. This compiled LangChain payload is then routed out to the inference engine. Inference is the computational phase where a trained machine learning model generates an output based on new data. RAG-Nova uses Groq's API and LLaMA 3.3 70B versatile model to execute this inference with high throughput and low latency. The response streams back to the user interface token by token, providing a snappy, real-time experience for the end user. By strictly controlling the context window, we force a highly capable language model to act exclusively as a reliable summarizer of our private data. Stepping back from the back-end inference code, we can see how the system exposes these parameters to the end user via the Streamlit frontend. The application features explicit engineering controls located in the left sidebar settings menu. Adjusting the top k chunk slider in the UI directly alters the top k parameter in the back-end retrieval math. This is achieved through modular code-based design. The front-end UI operates independently and does not contain any of the complex vector math itself. A production-ready system requires decoupling the front-end components from the back-end index manager and search client. Looking at the RAG-Nova GitHub repository structure, we can see exactly how the entire project is neatly organized for deployment. The source directory maintains strict separation of concerns, divided cleanly into RAG, UI, and backend packages. This modular architecture enables robust software engineering practices, specifically automated CI/CD pipelines. CI/CD stands for Continuous Integration and Continuous Deployment, a method to frequently deliver code changes by introducing automation into the development stages. You can clone the repository and drop your own PDFs into the data folder, then trigger an automatic index rebuild to test the pipeline on your own documents. RAG-Nova demonstrates the critical mechanical steps required to move from a fragile Jupyter Notebook prototype to a verifiable, modular, and deployable AI application.